Hello, this is Gene. Kyle is holding the camera, and we're going to try to open up this XLS Crown 1002. This is the base model. Apparently, it does 215 out of 8 ohms. My Marantz that I talk about in my previous video only does 110, and that's all. That's 2-channel, but when all speakers are engaged, it probably is in the neighborhood of about 70. And I definitely, my speakers in the front definitely need more help when it comes to that. So we're opening it up right now. You know, I bought this at Guitar Center, and I said that this was this a repackaging? Because I'm looking at this now, and I don't think this is how this is supposed to be. That looks like that's been repackaged, but we'll see. That's what it looks like. Can you see it? Good. All right. I'm gonna pull it out. Now, this is only about 8 pounds, so it shouldn't be that hard for me to pull out. I have been kind of a fan of Class B amplification. This clearly looks like it's been open. It just does. And there's no manual in this at all. I'd have to look and see anybody that's actually bought these and looked at their packaging. I mean, it doesn't look like it has any scratches on it, but that's just a very poor way of doing it. Anyway, yes, it's kind of an industrial type of thing, but what we're going to do with it for my home theater is we're going to use this as the right and the left channel in here, and if it's not good enough, we will bridge this, and I'll have 2 of them to power the left and right. You see it also XLR inputs, but I'll be using RCA. Anyway, we'll tell you how it works, and we'll report back. You guys have a good day, and thank you.